guys! Welcome back ulit sa ating channel. Okay, so it's another trip na naman po ang ating gagawin for this video. For this video is pupuntahan pa natin isa sa mga pinaka-bucket list na destination dito sa Pilipinas. Kung ito ay walang iba kundi ang Basco, Batanes. The gags are going to the most sought after destination in the Philippines with Jazzy. We're back with Jazzy and of course Arze and Ma'am Rabia. We call this team as Triple J and A. Jeanette, Jazzy, Jerwin and Arze. Perfect. This is the largest crowd by far with 19 packs. 19 packs kaming pupunta ng Basco, Batanes. Oh my gosh. Sama pa rin natin sa ating trip this time guys, yung ating mga kasamahan sa Suhuta na trip. Pero instead na 8 is 6 na lang kami. Tapos we have also companions from my Corona trip, the Corona squad, Sister EJ and the rest of the people. Then may mga makasasama din tayo ng mga personnel from a private institution. So matotal guys is 19 kami lahat na magta-travel going to Basco. Kauban na po na ako ang atong Amega. Pretty Amega sa EJ. Ayan, si Ma'am Anamay at saka si Ma'am KitKat. No. So uban na po mi sa EJ travel na po ta.
Yes, it's time to...
Kasi in few days also after this trip, pupunta na din siya ng Canada. Okay guys, our aircraft has just arrived. So, kompleto na po kami ngayon 16. So, 16 kami magde-depart pala ngayon. Then, bukas may 3 na madadagdag. We are now boarding to Manila. So, we'll have a connecting flight in Manila. Then, we'll be going to Basco from Terminal 2 of Naiya.
2 hours later.
Guys, we have just landed in Manila at around 3:45 a.m. We are now here at Terminal 2. So we still have another connecting flight going to Basco at 6:30 a.m. Later. So meron pa tayong mga 2 oras na layover. Si Jassy, okay, EJ, sa mga kauban guys sa Basco, Batanes. Katyang.
Wala na lang ang tapan na lang niya. Ay, sorry. Expose.
We are now boarding to Basco. So, flying time is almost 2 hours. Like a private jet, we'll be flying with Turbopop. Hala, kagwapa sa to ang... Sa airport na tayo ng Basco. Ayan guys, ito na yung luggages. Yung carousel, so tapos na. Diyan na sila madamanan. And the rest of the chairs. I suggest guys na pag mag-book kayo ng seat, is piliin niyo yung letter D na seat kasi doon yung magandang view pag-land ng Basco. It's Ma'am Luisa. Say hi, Ma'am Luisa pa. Ganun. Ay, ayun na ang ano. At, ayan guys, after arrival is we are now fetched by Naidi. Oh, welcome. Thank you. Welcome to Batanes. After only 2 minutes, we have arrived at our accommodation at Alcantaras. Oh my gosh. So we are 2 vans. Jingjing. Oh my God, ayan. Wow, this is so very native and very... Oh! Oh my gosh, this is a very basic. Dito tayo mag-breakfast, but let's check in first. Oh. Ay, dito daw muna. Ah, sige, sa breakfast daw muna tayo. Jassy Jung. Ilang province na?
I lost count.
Ah, you lost the count. Oh my gosh, you have to pick it up again.
6 hours later.
After namin nag-arrive kanina guys is nag-check-in muna kami, nag-rest, tapos nag-fix. And yan, they have given us 4 rooms. Ito yung room guys na binigay sa amin. So in this room, 5 kami lahat. Isang bunk bed, tsaka isang matrimonial. After namin nag-arrive kanina pala guys is nag-sleep muna kami, nag-rest for I think the whole morning siya. Kasi red eye yung flight natin at 2 a.m. Tapos dumating tayo ng 8. So wala pa talagang tulog yung mga tao dito ngayon. So kaya nag-rest muna kami. Right after that is nag-fix and nag-lunch. And after this lunch guys is magsa-start na tayo ng ating North Bataan tour. There are many spots that we'll be going to visit this afternoon. So we just hope na papuntahan natin sila lahat. Now, so we will be start with at 1 p.m. sa ating North Bataan tour. Then right after that is babalik tayo dito sa accommodation. After this is magla-lunch muna kami guys, kasama yung breakfast at saka lunch sa today sa tour package na bayaran namin dito sa AD Hills Travel and Tours. Then right after that, mamayang alauna is magsa-start ng aming half-day tour sa North Bataan. Ito yung food na sinerve guys. Merong soup. Ano to?
Bola-bola.
Ah, bola-bola.
Ubod, saging.
Ah, okay.
Bola-bola.
Gulay.
Bola-bola di Bataan.
Ano yun? Guys, may suman ng
Suman di
Batanes.
Batanes. Chapsuy di Batanes.
May chapsuy de Batanes.
Caldereta di Batanes.
Okay. Start na pa sa tong tour.
Welcome to my channel.
Yes. So, lumakas, ay umulan kanina ng napakalakas, guys. Oh, isa daw? Ang sarap! First stop, the Capitol. Oh?
Ito yung kilometer zero natin.
But,
If you have a free time, maybe some other day, pwede kayo maglakad. Some free.
malakad naman siya, malapit lang.
Safe naman dito. So, zero traffic naman.
First stop, Rolling Hills.
So, magsaset na ako ng drone for taking pictures.
Oo.
Sa mga lang dito.
Oh my God. Wait, asan ka pa, AJ? Okay. God, look at that. Oh my God! That's Jassy! Charot. Oh my God, ayun. Oh my God, ayun. Oh my God. Batanes. Batanes! Yan ang mga motor, tatawag doon nila yung Kugon motorcycle. The wood there is made from Kugon. The main transportation yan siya. If you want to book a private tour here in Batanes. Perfect! Kauban na to ang walay lain.
Let's go!
Correct! Ay, kano ka-colorful man di kaayo ani niya, oy.
Statement of love,
Ay.
equality,
Fan. Guys, ang ganda ng Rolling Hills. Sige, shoot na tayo sa ating next na artist. Si Maravia. Next art. Dito sa kadapit. Walk. Okay. Sige, kaya natin yan, director. Okay, brisk walk, Ma'am Rab. Hinay lang, Ma'am Luisa. Okay. Dagan, Ma'am Rab. Okay, go. Go. spot is the I Love Batanes sign. Ayun sa likod, guys. Oh my gosh. We'll have a groupie picture here. Tapos, maybe we will go inside the the lighthouse. Ayun, I Love Batanes. Hindi pwede na walang photo up dito, guys. I-flex lang namin si Kuya. Denix Cantor, no? Thank you, Kuya, for my God, alaga us. Ayan. We have a lot of numerous pictures here in I Love Batanes sign. That mountain that you are seeing, guys, is the Mount Iraya. Yan. It's a volcano here in Batanes. Let's go inside the lighthouse. It's echoing. It's a spiral na hagdanan niya, guys. Papunta sa tuktok ng lighthouse. Yeah. This is not the top of the lighthouse. Wow. You get the 360 bird's eye view of Batanes. Next spot is the famous church here in Batanes, the Immaculate Conception. This is now the Church of Immaculate Conception. So this church was built around 1970 according to our guide. And this is one of the largest church here in Batanes. And ayan ang ating mga celebrant. Chassis and Apple. Okay, so tapos na tayo sa Immaculate Conception Chapel. Another church na naman po, guys, after here. Doon tayo sa Mount Carmel, how do you pronounce that, no? So yun yung church dito na sikat na parang nasa sa gitna ng bulubundukin. My God, I can't wait to see there. But Batanes, you are so giving for just a half of a day. Oh my God. Guys, ito na yung Mount Carmel. Yeah. Ilang taon daw ulit na? Anong taon daw ulit na na-built?
2021.
8. Ang daming nag-shoot na dito sa chapel na ito, guys. So this chapel was built 2018. Bago pa to siya ng chapel. Nasa ibabaw siya ng hills. Tapos tingnan naman yung view sa gilid. Oh. Then dito din. Mga hills over hills. Third spot, guys, is the Pag-asa ng bayan, Pag-asa weather station. Ito yun. Ito yung tapos it's just a meter away from the church. And dito na yung Pag-asa weather station. Tukon, guys. means, it's an Ivatan word, means hills or pulubundukin. That's Tukon means. Ito pala yung Pag-asa weather station nila, guys. Nasira daw ito last 2016 because of the typhoon. But some of the equipment there sa Pag-asa, guys, are still functional. So nagpipick up siya ng weather. Tapos nagta-transmit sa Manila. Ayan. So this is Pag-asa weather station ng Basco, Batanes.
Nice one Japanese tunnel. So, wala Japanese tunnel na.
What Silencio ko. Tunnel daw ang next tunnel. It's a Japanese tunnel, guys. So this tunnel was made as a hideout ng mga Japanese. But they will check first if it's possible to cross. Kasi maulan daw kanina. Ay, this is the tunnel. Gosh, look at the tunnel. Oh my gosh. Look at the tunnel. Ito pala yung tunnel. Oh, look at. Oh my gosh. Gosh.
Ingat, madulas. Okay.
Okay. Gosh.
Nadulas ka ata sila.
Hindi, kanina pagdating ko,
Tama na yan.
yung mukha ko doon sa may isang laro.
Okay. Malapad yung wall kasi.
So, pumapasok na tayo ngayon sa tunnel.
Ginawa ng mga Ivatans through under the Japanese.
May gold ba na
Wala dito. Sinasahuran sila ng tinatawag nilang Mickey Mouse or Japanese.
Pwede sa left for exit, pwede sa right for heading down.
Heading down.
Sa left na lang kayo exit na.
Dito, malayo ito.
Yes, meron pang bababaan dyan pero hindi na kami nag-aalaw kasi sometimes merong mga pit viper.
Yes,
Oh my gosh. Dito na yung exit. Oh my gosh. Hala, my God. Ito yung pinaka-ano ko. Nakalapod ko, sir. Agoy, ma'am.
Dito na sa amin.
So, dali na.
Kaya niyo ba sir or babalik tayo doon?
Babalik tayo. Oh my gosh. Babalik tayo. Abort mission.
Go, Sir Jermaine. Kaya na, sir.
Hindi, sir. Hindi ko makakaya. Babalik tayo. Sorry. Yan, guys. Ito na yung last spot natin. Ito na yung tinatawag na Boulder Beach. O yung beach na may malalaking mga bato-bato. O the Boulder Beach. Ayan o. Ay, ang lalaki na ng mga bato. Ayan o. So, protected daw ito na area. So, you are not allowed to bring any single stone from this beach. So, bawal talaga siya. Malalaki konti yung mga bato nila dito, guys. It's really big. So, it's quite struggle when you want to take a good picture. Just struggling siya. So, this is the Pebble Beach, Boulder Beach. This will be our last stop here in North Bataan trip. So after this, we will be going back to the hotel. And we will be fixing kasi mamaya is para mag-ililibot kami ng town to have our dinner. So, totally, yung North Bata namin na trip is just very short siya, guys. Kaya lang siya ng half day. Kasi malalapit-lapit lang naman yung mga, yung mga spots. So, by tomorrow is we will be having a South Batan tour. That will be a whole day activity. So, it's quite far from our accommodation. So, talagang magugugol natin yung buong araw.